In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Wells Fargo payment due date. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo app or head over to the official website of Wells Fargo, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on your Wells Fargo credit card account from the list of accounts. On the account summary page, you will see important information such as your current balance, minimum payment due, and your next payment due date. Another way to find your payment due date is by reviewing your monthly credit card statement. Whether you receive paper statements or e-statements, the statement clearly shows your payment due date, statement balance, minimum payment due, and any recent account activity. If you have enabled account alerts, Wells Fargo can also send reminders before your payment is due. You can manage these alerts through the mobile app or online banking to receive notifications by email, text message, or push notification depending on your preference. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.